everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't sat in front of the camera in so long. Update, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen I just came back from Disney World. So the past few months have been crazy. We bought a new condo, we sold our condo, we moved, we started renovating, Christmas, Kansas City, Walt Disney World, and now we're here. It's been a ride, it's been a journey, but I haven't really updated you on the renovation. So I'm gonna show you the kitchen so far because today's a really exciting day. The cabinets are coming in and then tomorrow the appliances come in, which means basically we're finished. There's obviously there's gonna be touch-ups and things along the line, but the major part is finished. We have our new couch, we got our new coffee table yesterday, we've gotta go pick up more stuff, but we are like heading towards the light at the end of the tunnel. We're still gonna be working on it throughout this probably whole year. Like, we haven't bought everything we want to, but it is looking so good. I don't know if I'm gonna show you the full reveal today. I don't know, I haven't decided. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I would love for you to see the place with the appliances and the furniture and just everything. So like, we have our rug, that's new. The chandelier, that's new. It's like crazy. We literally, this is our second night. Oh, it's so dark. This is our second night living here. I don't want to show you, I'm kind of specifically hiding this one wall because we did something we did something cool that I feel like I want to show on like the final reveal. So yeah, it's pretty dark, but I'm going to show you. Let's turn on the lights here. I don't know if that helps. Okay, that's good. So this is the couch. We absolutely love it. It's from a store called Structube, and what I love about it is, let me see if I can show you this. You can actually pull the back out so that it's even wider than this one. So it's kind of like a really deep, or almost like a lounger, even though we have a lounger over there, and that makes it like a bed. It's crazy. So comfortable. Absolutely love it. If you're looking for a couch, it's called the Erin. I highly recommend it. And then you just like lift and put it back. We love it. Okay, but the kitchen. This is like the before of almost being done. So up until today, we put in pot lights. We didn't have that. And then new floors, which I love. They need to be washed and stuff, but this color or this tile is called poured concrete. I absolutely love it. These are the old cabinets, and oh, sorry, my sister popped by. Okay, I was showing you the countertops. Okay, so we're back at the cabinets, and then here are our countertops, which they're a little hit of gray with white, which I really love. So I wanted everything to be like really light and airy. And then this is our backsplash. I love it. It's called a picket, and it's so unique. Like, I've never seen really anything like it, or I've seen it horizontally, but I really love them vertical. It goes right up to the top. And so today, the cupboards are all getting new fronts. Actually, this whole cupboard is gonna be completely new. Getting new fronts, this is gonna be fixed. Still need to buy that. That's kind of on my to-do list for this weekend. My dad's gonna take that out and put in a new fan. So right now I've got to clear this out. And then last night I painted the trim around the window because in the before picture you can see it was really yellow. I mean, it's not the best. it's the best that I could do. This is supposed to be covered and then I'll paint whatever is not. But I think it looks a lot cleaner, and from far away, it looks good. This place though is a huge disaster. This is our like crazy room, right? This is where, like, obviously we can't really unpack everything, and our room is filled with stuff too. Hi, do you like our new home? Walter is very happy to have a new home, aren't you? He's been running around. He has so much room. Oh, your ears need to be cleaned. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. So, but today, I was not feeling the greatest coming home from Florida, so today I kind of took off. Tomorrow I go back to the gym and life kind of resumes, but I'm hoping that I can go to Ikea tonight because we need to buy a different TV stand. Oh, I want to show you my coffee table. And this is the coffee table that we have. I love it. So not something I would ever think I would go for, but we are working with our amazing designer, project manager. She's like everything. Grace in the Home, I will link her Instagram down below. She is amazing, and she really curated like the perfect modern, traditional kind of farmhouse vibe, because I'm very like traditional, more like farmhouse, not shabby chic though. And Andrew's modern, so she's been able to like pull all those things together. Like the couch and the coffee table are more his style, where we ordered these chairs and these pillows that are very much my style. No, we're not letting him on the couch right now until we Scotch guard it. No. So that is a little bit of an update right now. Today's a big day. Everyone's coming at 1 o'clock. I have to go to the chiropractor for my back at noon. So we're just kind of cleaning up. I'm trying to like declutter, but it's gonna get a mess in here. It's gonna be such a mess. Do you like your new view? Yeah. So I hope that you enjoy this. It's a crazy day. I'm so excited though. I'm so excited. It's been a few hours. I have gloves on. It's pretty chilly outside, and I'm at Lowe's, and I just wanted to let you guys know that in the past month I've become quite handy. So handy, in fact, that I bring my own measuring tape to Lowe's. It's kind of a joke, but I will say I have been, I've been doing my fair share of this renovation, like the little touch-ups and stuff. Okay, so I am here. I have a few things to look at and a few things to buy. I feel like Lowe's is our second home. It's definitely where all of our money is going to. Let's go see if I can find a hood range or whatever event, whatever it's called, for the stove. Broken something. I did it. I managed to get all this stuff all by myself. Hopefully I got the right stuff. Now I have just under an hour. I might run into another store and then head home. I'm really excited. Okay, so bad news. Our cabinets have been delayed. So, our kitchen guy is coming, but he's only going to be taking that out and doing a new one, and this one, a new one. so that's a bummer. And something over there, I'm excited. So that's a kind of a big bummer, because I was really looking forward to doing that. But I got a few things when I was out. I just got toilet paper holders for each of the bathrooms. I just got this nice white shower curtain for the guest bathroom. It's actually a really nice material. I just wanted something light, fresh, and I got light bulbs because this room is a mess. This bathroom, yeah, the light, woo, they were burnt out except for one. What else did I get? That was it. I got a salad. And then, yeah, so I guess what the plan is gonna change a bit. We might go to Ikea tonight because I think it's gonna snow all weekend. Can I do this? I think it's gonna snow all weekend, and yeah, I just don't think we are gonna then go if it's snowing tomorrow. Ew, Walter. So we're probably gonna really clean this place up because there's just like a really thin layer of dust on everything, even though I've literally washed the floor 3 times, maybe even 4. But I think what I need to do is I need to rewash the floor and then steam the floor. A lot of the dust is coming from the kitchen, so I'm gonna see if it's okay to wash it now. Possibly the baseboards are getting fixed today. So we still have stuff, and then maybe today we'll rearrange the couch to be where it's supposed to be. Maybe put out the rug. I guess I should probably wash the floor again then. Okay, gonna get to it. It is many hours later. So I think I said that the cupboards didn't go exactly, so I will show you what we did because I have decided I will do a full reveal video separately. But if you want to stay posted on all the updates, you can follow me on Instagram at Life of Laura-Lee. It's linked down below. I post a lot about this renovation and moving and things like that. But so don't be thrown off by the cabinets. I'm gonna show you. We got our floating shelves. Da 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 da. There they are. They're this beautiful bleached oak. I am absolutely obsessed. So obviously it's thrown off by the color there. And then that's new. We cannot use any of it yet because it's actually not fastened fully into the wall. He's got to come back. And then this will be pushed against the wall. He's got to cut the opening for the plug. And yeah, so that, I am so happy we ended up going with this shelf or cabinet. That was like added. If you remember, there was nothing there. Actually, there was an upper, but that was it. Yeah, but that, like, don't look at that. Just look at that. That's amazing. I cannot wait. Maybe if I turn that off, you can see it better. There we go. I'm so excited. Woo. So it is really snowy and it took us forever to get out here because of the roads, and we had to pick up my dad's truck. So that was, it's taken a long way to get here. It's probably going to take quite a bit to get home, but that's okay. Love Ikea, but we're trying to just be like in and out, in and out. It's very cold. I'll do the bag while I start it.
Okay, I'm getting distracted. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Let's go. All that and all of this. This is not going to be fun. This is not going to be fun to load and unload. I am not looking forward to this. Hey guys, so that sounded so funny. Hey guys, I am really tired. Andrew is bringing some of the Ikea stuff with my brother-in-law, and I thought I would have the energy to set it up, but I really don't. Because our appliances are being delivered tomorrow, I need to wash the floors. They're really bad. So I probably will just sweep and wash the floor and then get up tomorrow and start the Ikea stuff. Because I haven't been feeling that great, we're not gonna be going anywhere, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna clean up and go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.